Howdy folks, it's Jason again, and today I'm going to show you the whys and hows of installing Nova Launcher on your full Android smartwatch. Full Android smartwatches come from a variety of manufacturers such as Ticris, Lockmat, and Lemfo has been a very strong and consistent player in that space. These watches are awesome, but the watch faces could be better and the functionality is usually limited. Installing Nova Launcher gives you better watch faces, a traditional Android experience, and widget support. Let's use SCR Copy to make customizing the watch a lot easier. SCR Copy is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux computers, and it allows you to control an Android device with your PC's mouse and keyboard. Download SCR Copy from GitHub or SourceForge. Extract the contents of the zip file to a new folder on your computer, and inside that folder you will find the SCR Copy executable. Let's take care of two system settings on the watch before we continue. Are your fonts too small on your smartwatch? Go into Settings and turn off Third-Party Adapter. Another system setting we will need to change is USB debugging. We need to turn on USB debugging in order to connect the smartwatch to the PC. Connect your watch to the PC using the charging cable and start SCR Copy. Now you can see and control your watch using your PC's keyboard, mouse, or touchscreen. You should download and install Nova Launcher Prime if you want to have access to the full controls. Otherwise, there is a free version of Nova Launcher that you can try. Here is Nova Launcher's first startup screen. Do be aware that after this point, you will not be able to change the position of the toolbar. Your new launcher screen will look similar to this. Let's start by customizing the toolbar. Nova Launcher allows you to add a couple of special buttons to your home screen. One is Recent Apps, which shows you your list of opened apps. Expand Notifications, which gives you the equivalent of rolling down the notification shade. Here's where you can adjust icon size and spacing. And once the basics of Nova Launcher are set up, you can add widgets as you would normally add to your smartphone screen. And here is how to back up your layout after you've perfected it. Nova Launcher supports transition effects between home screen pages, ranging from simple transitions to 3D animated transitions. Here is where to lock your screen layout. Now that your home screens have been updated, you may also want to update the software that connects your smartwatch to your smartphone. That software would be WatchDroid, and I'll talk about WatchDroid in a future video. There you have it, folks, the why and the how of installing Nova Launcher on your full Android smartwatch. My name's Jason. Thank you very much for watching. Please do hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time with another video about these wearable devices.